Huge fear as Wike and Hope Uzodinma makes effort to recover oil wells. Palpable fear is said to have gripped Rivers State as the state government failed to appear before the National Boundary Commission in Abuja on the scheduled date, Thursday, August 6, following the intensified effort by the government of Imo State, led by Governor Hope Uzodinma, toward recovering oil wells lost to the neighboring states. On its part, the Imo State government on Thursday appeared before the commission and submitted sensitive documents to the commission, including the survey plan of the state. The documents were submitted to the National Boundaries Commission in the presence of the Surveyor General of the Federation, Surveyor Samuel Adeniran, and the Director General of the National Boundary Commission, Surveyor Adaji Adamu. Imo State and our neighboring River State are in a protracted battle over oil wells belonging to the state, but for which River State receives monthly allocation and other benefits. Sources disclosed that the River State government had frustrated previous efforts to resolve the issue, but with the intensified effort of the Uzodinma-led government toward recovering the oil wells, River State is said to be in fear that Imo State is most likely going to get the oil wells back. The Deputy Governor of Imo State, Professor Placid Njoku, who is also the chairman of the Imo State Boundary Commission, led a delegation to submit sensitive documents to the National Boundary Commission in Abuja on Thursday on behalf of the state government. The delegation included the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Barrister C.O.C. Akolisa, the Special Advisor and Coordinator, Oil and Gas, Honorable Goodluck Nana Opia, Oil and Gas Expert Dr. Chioma Njoku, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Lands, Survey and Physical Planning, Surveyor Uzoma John, and the Surveyor General of the State, Surveyor C.A.P. Anele. The Deputy Governor urged the National Boundary Commission to rise to the occasion and give justice to the people of Imo State, who have suffered untold hardship over the years as a result of the brazen denial of their God-given wealth, which should have been used for their development, but had been in the hands of the wrong state instead. Lending his voice, the SA and Coordinator Oil and Gas, Honorable Goodluck Nana Opia, urged the National Boundaries Commission to ensure that River State attends the next meeting, stressing that the timetable earlier prepared for the submission of documents by these two states should be reviewed. In an interview with our correspondent at the end of the meeting, Opia said that Governor Hope Uzodinma was determined to recover all the lost oil wells lost to neighboring states. He said it amounted to grave injustice that oil wells belonging to the state were in the hands of another state, while the true owners of the wealth wallow in penury. According to him, the loss of the oil wells to neighboring states was part of the reason for the low production of oil by the state, expressing optimism that the state was on the right track toward recovering the lost oil wells. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, of a truth, the people of Imo State truly deserve what truly belongs to them. You understand? But I will tell you that Hope Uzodinma may not and may not even be able to win back the oil wells because he's still a learner. He's still a learner. He's still a learner in the sense that Wike has been in the business and Wike have a better understanding and a better skill. Wike have all that it takes to get back the oil well to Rivers State. So Uzodinma, I don't know. I don't know how he will be able to win the oil well to Imo State. But to my own better understanding, I would say that who wears the cap or who the cap truly fits should be the one to wear the cap. So let them both continue the drag. Let them both continue the dragging. Right? We may not say, nobody can say. We cannot judge, neither can we decide. We cannot decide that truly this oil well truly belongs to Imo State or this oil well truly belongs to Rivers State. They both have their facts. As you have heard that they both have submitted sensitive documents concerning ownership of the oil wells. So let them both go and defend it. But to me, I'll say that it is not all about recovering oil well. Do you understand? It's not all about recovering the oil well. There is something more significant than recovering the oil well. After recovering the oil well, will this oil well be actually be used for what for the reason why it is being located in that state? Because the Southeast are known to be people that are blessed with oil wells, but then the wrong people comes to make use of it and use it to enrich themselves. You understand? So my viewers, winning back the oil well, yes, is good, but there are things that are even more significant than winning it back. So my viewers, I don't know what's your comment concerning this issue between Hope Uzodinma and Nyesom Wike is, but please don't hesitate to leave your comment behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.